Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to 40 Plus Life, or welcome if you're new. Today I am going to be going to one of my favorite casinos in Las Vegas, and that is Red Rock Casino. So thought I'd take you along and we'll see if I can even show you anything. We'll see. So it'll be an adventure. I just like to go for a little bit and use my fun money in my fun envelope to play some slot machines, especially on my day off, which is today. So let's get dancing drums. Okay, I put in my 20 bucks. And it looks like I got $5 free play. Whoa. How do I do this? Activate. Uh-oh. Can't look at my pin. Alright, here we go. That noise is part of my free play. I'm doing 68 cents. That's not even the max. $1.50. 92 cents left. So I really want 3 of those drums. So this is what I want to show you. 3 drums. Free plays. Wow, nothing. Oh my god, this is the worst I've ever done. This is pretty sad. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh well. Better than nothing. And that gets me back over 20. So that's when I finish. Yay! That's what we want to see. Oh my god, yay! One more spin after this. Freebie, I mean. That's it. I won 24 bucks. Definitely cashing out now. Oh, yes. Yay! Alright, here we go. Okay, so we are back from my Little Red Rock Casino excursion, and as you guys saw, I won $44 is what I won. So that's what I have here. Started off with 20, so I basically won 24 is what we should say. Oh, and 84 cents, but because of, I'm assuming because of the coin shortage or whatever, they're no longer giving coins like they used to, so I just put this back in the machine when I use it next time, and it just adds up to my totals. So that being said, I took this out of my fun envelope. So I started with 100. I have 80 in here right now because 20 is gonna go back. I'm gonna put 20 back. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Because I wanna, like I said, I just go to play just for fun. I do the penny slots, but of course, penny slots are no longer penny slots. They're, you know, there's like a minimum. I usually do, the most I usually do is the 68 cents, because that goes really quickly. Out of $20, I mean, that's almost $1 a pop. So when I did this, when I got this win, it was actually, I went down to 38 cents. So I got really lucky. So I got the drums, the 3 drums the first time, and then I won, you know, whatever, just like, I got my money back, 20 bucks. And then it was a little bit over 20, so I just kept playing just to get down to the 20 so I can cash out, and lo and behold, I got the drums again, and I was really excited about that, so I had to film the end of that bit that I had, and then that's how I ended up with this extra $24, so that is pretty exciting. So now I just have to decide where I'm going to put this. I'm not going to put it in the fun, because I'm back where I started at 100. I have none in food. Let's see. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm wondering if I should put it in some of my other envelopes. It's $20. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 10 out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take this $10 and put it in my food envelope. so that I have a little bit in there again. Okay, and I'll update that later. Then I'm gonna take my vet. So probably gonna keep needing some veterinarian work, you know. Kitties are getting old, so I wanna build this up. I already had to go today and get some cat food, so 9, and in this one I'm gonna put $10 back, so I get that 10 back. Okay, so I'll have 20, 40, 45, 50. And then I've got $4 left. And I am tired of seeing this 08, so I'm gonna add $2 to this. So that gets up to 210. I want it rounded. 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 200, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! And I've got $2 left. And $2 left. Woohoo! $2. Oh, but then I'm gonna be all, wherever I put it, it's not gonna be round. Oh no, look at this. How lucky is this? My gifts. I'm gonna add $2 and then I'll have 105. Whoo, how lucky was that? 20, 40, 60, 80. Huh? 81, 82, 83, 84. No. Is something sticking together? What? 20, 40, 60, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Oh my gosh, I thought, there we go. A 20 was stuck in the envelope. I was like, I know I did not spend any 20s in there. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was gonna be like, where'd that 20 go? Okay, so there we go. Yay, they're all even now, so I'm happy. All right, so there, look, that was a little tiny, super tiny mini cash stuffing of $24 that I won from the casino. I spent $20, I won $44, so I got my $20 back. I put it back in my envelope, and then I spread out the rest of the $24 into a couple little envelopes. So that's exciting. So there we go. That is it. I hope you guys like this video. Please do comment below if you do. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.